and welcome back. My name is Carrie Gregg. I'm an attorney here at the law office of Bryan Fagan. And today we'll be discussing motions for new trial and appeals in criminal court cases here in Texas. If anybody has been watching the news lately, you will find that AJ Armstrong just got convicted of killing his parents in his sleep when he was 16 years old. Today, he is 23, and he just received a life sentence with the possibility of parole in 40 years. What does that mean? Does he mean that he serves out his life sentence? Or can he file for what's called a motion for new trial? Recently, AJ was appointed a public defender because he cannot afford an attorney on his own. That attorney has until September the 15th of 2023 to file what's called a motion for new trial. Well, what is a motion for new trial? A motion for new trial requests that the court reverse the judgment. Easy enough? No. In that time period, you have 30 days from the date of sentencing to the day that your hearing is to produce a massive amount of evidence, right? Well, what evidence do we need? It's everything that the jury did not get to decide, right? Or hear. For instance, jury misconduct, the prosecution didn't turn over evidence that you discovered. There's a lot of factors that you can go into a motion for new trial to present to the judge. But you also have to prove not only did this evidence affect your case, but it significantly impaired your ability to receive a fair and impartial trial. That's hard to prove because you have to also prove the third prong, that had this evidence been presented at trial so the jury could hear it, your case would have a different outcome. So the judge will look at it. They will decide whether AJ Armstrong gets a new trial. If he is granted a new trial, this is great for the defense because then he will get to go back and start all over again with new evidence. But on the other hand, if AJ Armstrong gets his motion for new trial denied, well, what happens? Well, of course, he will go back and he will serve his life sentence and hope that one day before he dies, he will get out on parole. However, he has a third option, and that option is to appeal that motion for a new trial. That tells the appellate court that you don't like the judge's ruling on the motion for a new trial and you want them to take a look at it. Simple? Not so much. Appellate courts here in Texas rarely overturn a motion for a new trial that has been denied. Why? Because the appellate court only has to look at one thing. Did the trial court err in their decision? And they rarely overturn it. So stay tuned, watch all the stuff on AJ Armstrong. It's exciting. But if you or anyone that you know are facing criminal charges of your own, do not hesitate. You need representation. Call the law office of Bryan Fagan. We're here for you. We're here for your rights. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.